Okay. Take up, that is the relations and function. First exercise, that is 1.1. Example, let T be the set of all the triangles in a plane with R is a relation in a T given by the relation R is equal to T1 comma T2, where the T1 is congruent to T2. Show that the relation R is an equivalence relation now. Right? This question pattern. Right, go forward here. Again, previous year we know that that is a reflexive relation meaning that is a doublets now. Okay, doublets or maybe extra order pairs, you know. Okay, right. Then the symmetric relation is nothing but what here? A comma B belongs to R and B comma A is compulsory belongs to R. Then it is said to be what? Symmetric relation. Okay. Next, what is the transitive relation? The transitive is nothing but what here? A comma B belongs to R, B comma C belongs to R, then A comma C belongs to R. It is said to be transitive relation. Okay. Okay. Take a set now. Let the T is equals to now. The set is what here? The let T be the set of set enkotana all triangles in a plane. Okay. Right on here, that is the set of what here? Set of all triangles here. In Kotana, set in Kotana, set of all the triangles. Right? Types of the triangles are right angle triangle, acute angle, Matta next obtuse angle, right? Equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, scalene triangle. There are what? Total 6 types of the what here? Triangles. In list of total 6 types of. Okay. Take up what is the relation now? Okay, the relation R is equals to that is T1 comma T2 such that T1 is congruent to T2 now. See, T1 is congruent to that is T2, right? Congruent meaning sarva samantra. That is a congruent meaning, right? Take up for the reflexive relation now. Discuss one again. For reflexive now. Right? For reflexive meaning we have to take what? Doublet. We have to take a doublet now. That take up for the reflexive relation. Okay. Take it is a T1 comma T1 and that is a T2 comma T2 now. That it is belongs to R, it is also what here? Belongs to R, right? They have taken two triangles here. That is a T1 is congruent to T2. Take doublet take reflexive doublet take T1 comma T1 doublet. Next T2 comma T2 doublets now, right? Apply madam. Is it done? Apply the relation for the what here? T1 comma T1. Okay. Next it becomes what here? It implies T1 is congruent to T1 only. The T1 is congruent to T1, or maybe the T1 is congruent to itself only, not both. Okay. Same as it is now take it is T2 is what here? Congruent to what here? That is a T2 now. T2. So therefore now the relation is satisfied. Okay, so therefore here R is what here? R is which one here? R is a reflexive relation. R is a reflexive relation. Okay. Understand agidine ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡು. Right? T1 comma T1 is congruent to itself only. T2 is congruent to T2 only. ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು meaning? Okay. Now take it is a right angle triangle here. ಇದು right angle triangle ga. ಇದು 5, okay, ಇದು 4, ಇದು 7 something ಏನೋ ಇರಬಹುದು. Correct? Right? 3, 4. This take it is 5 now. 3, 4, 5 is it is which one here? T1 triangle now. ಇದು triangle ಅಲ್ಲ. ಇದಕ್ಕ congruent ಯಾವುದು ಇರ್ತದ? ಅದರದೇ ಇರ್ತದ? ಇರ್ತದ. ಇಂತವು ಟೂ ಫಿಗರ್ಸ್ ಅದ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಇವಾಗ ಇದು ಒನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅದ. ಇದು congruent ಯಾವುದು ಅದ? ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ congruent ಇರ್ತದ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? Now that T1 is congruent, that given triangle is congruent to itself only now. Right? ಇದು ಯಾವುದು congruent ಇರ್ತದ ಫಸ್ಟ್? ಅದರದು ಅದೇ congruent ಇರ್ತದ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಅದೇ ಬರ್ದಿನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿಗ. Take this up. Now the T1 is congruent to itself only, T1 only, same as it is T2 congruent to itself only now. Right? ಅದರ ಅದೇನು ಇರ್ತದ? Congruent ಇರ್ತದ. Right? Same as it is take it is for next relation is what here? that is a symmetric relation now, right? Take up for symmetric relation here, for symmetric now, right? For symmetric meaning the definition a comma b comma a, that is said to be symmetric now. Up relations apply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಅದು satisfy ಆಗೋದು, right? Take it is a comma b ಬದಲು ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ ಇವಾಗ t1 comma t2 belongs to r. Now this one becomes what here a comma b, ಇದೇನಾಯ್ತು ಇದು a comma b ಆಯ್ತು. apply the relation ಬರೀರಿ, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಹಿಂಗಾಗೋದು the t1 is congruent to t2, t1 is congruent to t2 now, right? Meaning take it is t1 triangle, it is what here, it is the t2 triangle. This one, this 3 units 4 units satisfy, this 3 4 5, okay. They are given two different triangles, different triangles ava, but adurdu area size both are what here same, correct? Names are different but area sizes are what here same, okay. Idu idಕ್ಕೆ ಏನದ congruent ಅದ because the area and lengths are what here same. ಇದು ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಟ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ, ಏನಾಯ್ತು congruent ಆಯ್ತು. ಇದು ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಡ್ರಿ congruent ಆಗೋದು, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, the t1 is congruent to what here t2, ಇದು ಇದೇನಾಯ್ತು congruent ಆಯ್ತು. ರೀಸನ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತದ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನವ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ಗಳು ಸೇಮ್ ಅವ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಇದು ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಟೇಕ್ ದಿಸ್ t2 t1 ನ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಇದು ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು r. ಇದು ಯಾವಾಗ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ಇದು a b ಆಯ್ತು. ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಬರಿಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಇದು b a ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು t2 t1. ಅಪ್ಲೈ ರಿಲೇಶನ್ ಬರೀರೋಣ. t2 is what here congruent to t1, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಇದು ಇದಕ್ಕೇನದ congruent ಅದ, ಇದು ಇದಕ್ಕೇನದ congruent ಅದ. ರಿಲೇಶನ್ ಏನಾಯ್ತು satisfied. So therefore r is what here, r is which relation here, r is symmetric now, r is symmetric, that is a relation now, r is a symmetric relation, okay. Take up for transitive relation now, for transitive now, for transitive now, right? Transitive meaning ab bc ac ಮೂರು ಇರಬೇಕು, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? see here, take this first one, ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, t1 t2 it belongs to what here r, t1 t2 it belongs to r, right? Take up now it is a t1 triangle here, so think mada. Take this t1 triangle 3 4 it is 5, it is 3 4 5 units, it is t1, it is what here t2. Now tell me, is it t1 is congruent to t2? ಇದು congruent ಅದನ ಅದ, ಯಾಕ ಎಲ್ಲ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಅವ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಬರೀವಾ. So therefore the t1 is what here, t1 is congruent to what here t2, t1 is congruent to t2 now, right? Same as it is, take up ab ಆಯ್ತು, ಯಾವ ತಗೋಬೇಕು bc ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಮು, ಇದು t2 ಲೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದ, take this c meaning t3 now, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? see here ab, this one is what here bc, okay. ಇದು congruent ಅದ, okay. ಆಮೇಲೆ t3 ಒಂದು ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ, t3 ನ 3 4 5, see here t1 is congruent to t2 is congruent to t3 because it is the same values or maybe same length, correct? Apply the relation, it becomes what here, t2 is what here, t2 is congruent to what t3. ಇದು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ congruent ಅದ, ಇದು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ congruent ಅದ, ಅಂದ್ರ ab ಆಯ್ತು bc ಆಯ್ತು. ac ಅಂದಾಗ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಇವಾಗ, ac meaning of take which triangles here, t1 and t3 triangle, correct? Now take it is ab bc, then ac, t1 t3 is belongs to, that is r. Now think ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, t1 is congruent to t2 is congruent to t3, is it t1 is congruent to t3, where congruent avana illa ava, because they are what here same length now, right? Same shape as well as same area, correct? Now we have to write down what here, t1 is what here congruent to t3 now, t1 is congruent to t3 now, correct? So therefore a comma b satisfies, b comma c satisfies, then a comma c is also satisfy the relation, Right? So therefore, the R is what here? R is which relation here? R is a transitive relation. Correct? Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ರಿಲೇಶನ್ ಏನೇನ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಇದು? ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಸಿವ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆಯ್ತು. If the relation R is said to be reflexive, symmetric and transitive, that relation is said to be what? Equivalence relation. So therefore the R hence the R is what here? R is an equivalence. R is a what here? Equivalence relation, because it is a reflexive, symmetric and transitive. Okay, right now. Okay, next example, let L be the set of lines in a plane and R be the relation in L, defined as the relation R is equals to L1 comma L2. L1 is perpendicular to L2. Then show that R is symmetric but neither reflexive nor transitive. Okay, the given relation they are told only symmetric kada, reflexive illa, transitive illa anta helataane. Okay, write on the set and relation here. Take up that is L be the set of what here? Set of what? Set of all lines na. Set of what here? All lines. Ella lines available. Right? What is the relation here? Relation R is equals to ಏನು ಮಾಡಮು L1 comma L2, so they such that L1 is what here? Perpendicular. L1 is perpendicular to what? L2 now. Idu relation ada. Right? Check for the relation for reflexive now. For reflexive ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಸಿವ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಿರಬೇಕು? ಡಬಲ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಟೇಕ್ ಅಪ್ L1 L2 ಅನ್ನ L1 ಡಬಲ್ ಇಟ್ L2 ಡಬಲ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾ. ಬಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದಿಸ್ L1 comma L1 and it is L2 comma it is L2, it belongs to R, it belongs to R. Okay, it implies apply madam relation. Okay, L1 comma L1. Okay, check ಮಾಡಿ ಇದು. L1 is perpendicular to CL. This L1 line. ಇದು again L1 meaning ಇದೆ ಇತ್ತು. ಅದು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ perpendicular ಇರ್ತದಾ? ಇರಲ್ಲ. perpendicular ಆಗಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಬೇಕಿಗಲ್ಲ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? So therefore ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಇದು? L1 is not perpendicular to L1 now, or maybe L1 line is not perpendicular to itself only no very good. Okay, same as it is now take it is second one is what here? L2 is also not perpendicular to what here? L2 now ಅದಕ್ಕೆ perpendicular ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು perpendicular ಇರ್ತವೆ. So therefore write down here belongs to R ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಏನಾಗ್ತದ? Does not belongs to R, because the relation is not satisfied. So therefore R is not a reflexive relation. R is not a reflexive relation ಆಗಲ್ಲ. Right? Take up for symmetric now. ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನ? For symmetric ಆದಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು. Right? Take up for the symmetric relation here. For symmetric now. For symmetric relation now. For symmetric meaning reverse. Right? Now take it is L1 comma L2 belongs to R. It implies right on the apply the relation for this one. L1 is what here? L1 is perpendicular. L1 is perpendicular to what? L2. L1 is perpendicular to L2. ಇಲ್ಲೋ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಗ. Now it is L1 line. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನದ? L2 perpendicular ಅದ. Take this L2 line. See here. L1 is perpendicular to L2. Is it L2 is perpendicular to L1? Yes sir. Got up. Take this A comma B. Reverse B comma A meaning L2 comma L1 now. L2 comma L1 it belongs to R. Apply the relation here. No doubt L2 is perpendicular to L1. L2 is perpendicular to what here? L1. Now the relation is satisfied. So therefore the relation R is what here? Symmetric. Okay. Right? So therefore R is what here? R is a symmetrical relation now. R is a symmetrical relation. Okay. Go for what? The last one is a for transitive now. For transitive relation. For transitive relation. For transitive. For transitive meaning A B B C A C. Transitive adon ಹೇಳೋಣ ಇಲ್ಲ. Right? ನೋಡೋಣ think ಮಾಡೋಣ. Right? Take it is a L1 comma L2 belongs to R. It implies. Write down the relation L1 is a perpendicular. L1 is perpendicular to L2. ಇದು ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಈಗ. L1 ಅದ L1 is perpendicular to ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಯ್ತು ಇದು L2 ಆಯ್ತು. L1 L2. L1 is perpendicular to L2. AB ಆಯ್ತು ಇವಾಗ. BC ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. BC ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ? L1 L2 L2 L3 is belongs to R. Write down the relation L2 is what here? L2 is perpendicular to L3 now. Check ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಇದು L2 ಅದ L2 ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ L3 ಗೆ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. L1 is perpendicular to L2 L2 is perpendicular to L3 ಆಯ್ತು. Then below AB BC clear ಆಯ್ತು. How to take what here? AC meaning L1 comma L3 now. Take it is L1 comma L3 it belongs to R. Right? Is it diagram think ಮಾಡಿಗ diagram ಅದ L1 is perpendicular to L2 L2 is perpendicular to L3 is it L1 is perpendicular to L3 L1 L3 perpendicular ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾವೋ ಇಲ್ಲ ಏನವೋ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಅವ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬರೀ ಇವಾಗ sometimes L1 comma L2 does not belongs to R perpendicular ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೋ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ does not belongs to R take L1 is ಏನು ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು not perpendicular to L3 so therefore R is not transitive relation now not transitive relation okay not perpendicular ಬರೋದು okay parallel ಬರೋದು okay right so therefore hence the given relation is what here symmetric only but neither reflexive nor transitive now okay so therefore hence R is symmetric right neither reflexive okay neither reflexive nor transitive now nor transitive okay right 3 marks questions ಗಳು ಇಂಗ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಗಳೇ ಇರ್ತದ ಬಟ್ ಇದು ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಅದ ಅದು ಕೇಳಿದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ದಾಗ ಓಕೆ ರೈಟ್ okay take up next example number 3 show that the relation R in the set 1 to 3 given by the relation R is equals to order pair that is 1 comma 1 2 comma 2 3 comma 3 okay next 1 comma 2 2 comma 3 is reflexive ಏನನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ ಅದು ಏನೇನದ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳತಾನೆ the given relation is what here reflexive relation ಅದ okay but neither symmetric nor transitive ಏನೇನಿಲ್ಲ symmetric ಇಲ್ಲ transitive ಇಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ಬಿಡ್ತು ನೋಡ್ರಿ it is not a symmetric relation it is not a transitive relation ಅಟ ಇಲ್ಲ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಸಿವ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಅದ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನವ ಇವಾಗ ಡಬಲೇಟ್ಸ್ ಗಳು ಇರಬೇಕು ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಇರಬಾರ್ದು ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಇರಬಾರ್ದು ಎ ಬಿ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಅದ ಬಟ್ ಎ ಸಿ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು ಅವಾಗ ಅದು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಕಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ಹಂಗೆ ಅದ ನೋಡಿ ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋ ನೆಸೆಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲವರ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ರೈಟ್ ದ ಸೆಟ್ A is equal to what here 1 2 3 now the relation R is on a set ಅದಾಗಿ ಓಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 2 3 it is also 1 2 3 how many order pairs 9 order pairs ಇರ್ತಾವ a cross a ದಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು order pairs ಇರ್ತಾವ 9 order pairs what are the order pairs 1 1 1 2 1 3 2 1 2 2 2 3 3 1 3 2 3 3 ಅದರೊಳಗಿಂದ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ನೀವು ಅದರೊಳಗಿಂದ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನ ಇದು ಏನೇನ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ ಕೊಟ್ಟನ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ರೀಸನ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ಕೋತ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡೋದು ಓಕೆ R is this one now okay for reflexive here for reflexive right we know that the reflexive meaning the doublets count what is the set here 1 2 3 set 1 1 doublet present okay next 2 2 doublet here only 3 doublet given now. Right? All the doublets are present here. So therefore it is a reflexive. Extra ಬಂದ್ರು ನಡೀತದೆ. Exactly ಇಷ್ಟ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತದ? Identity relation ಆಗ್ತದ reflexive ಆಗ್ತದ. Extra ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಇವಾಗ ಇದು identity ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ? Reflexive ಆಗ್ತದ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಡ ನಮಗೆ. Reasons ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೀತೀರಿ? ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ. So therefore because 1 doublet are there, 2 doublet are there, also 3 doublet are there, it belongs to 1 doublet ada, 2 no ada, 3 no ada. So therefore R is what here? R is a reflexive relation. R is a reflexive relation. Move that matter. Take up symmetric alarm ಹೇಳೋಣ. Symmetric relation, it is not a symmetric relation ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಮಿಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಅದ. ಓಕೆ, ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್? ಫಾರ್ ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ now, for symmetric relation now, for symmetric. ಓಕೆ, 1 1 ರಿವರ್ಸ್ 1 1 ಅದೇ ಅದ, 2 2 ರಿವರ್ಸ್ 2 2 ಅಲ್ಲ, 3 3 ರಿವರ್ಸ್ 3 3 ಅಲ್ಲ, 1 2 ರಿವರ್ಸ್ 2 1 ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದೇನಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ ದ ರೀಸನ್ ನಾವು, ರೀಸನ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಬರ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. ಈಗ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬರ 1 2 is belongs to R. 1 2 ಕೊಟ್ಟನ, ಬಟ್ ಯಾವುದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. but 2 1 does not belongs to R. So therefore R is a not symmetric relation. R is not a symmetric relation. Matter close ಆಯ್ತು. ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಟಿವ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋಣ, ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋಣ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ನೋಡೋಣ, ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್? ಫಾರ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಟಿವ್ ನಾವು, for transitive relation, for transitive. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಎ ಬಿ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಅದ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗದ? ಎ ಸಿ ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗದ ಅಂತ ಹುಡುಕ್ಯಾಡ್ರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇವಾಗ ಎ ಬಿ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕು ಇವಾಗ? ಎ ಸಿ. 1 2 2 3 then 1 3 are present means it is a transitive. 1 3 is not present meaning it is not a transitive. Okay, write down the reason here. ಈಗ 1 2 is belongs to R and 2 3 belongs to R, but which one is not present there? 1 3 ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ, 1 3 ಇಲ್ಲ ಇವಾಗ. So write down 1 3 does not belongs to R, ಅಲ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. So therefore R is a not transitive relation. R is a not transitive relation here, right? So therefore the relation R is a reflexive. So therefore R is a, which one here? R is a reflexive, but neither symmetric nor transitive now, okay. MCQ ನ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾನೆ, ಒಂದು ಸೆಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾನ, ಸೆಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾನ. ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿರಲ್ಲ ಹಂಗೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಟಿಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ರೈಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಓಕೆ. ಟೇಕ್ ಅಪ್ ದ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ 1.1 1.1. that is the first question is determine whether each of the following relations are reflexive, symmetric and transitive. Right? ಏನದನ್ನ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೋಡೋಣ. The given relation is reflexive, symmetric or maybe a transitive now. Right? The first question is the relation R in the set A. Okay, the relation R in the set A is 1 2 3 up to what here? Up to 14 now. 14. Okay. Now tell me A cross A is equals to how many order pairs? 196 order pairs now. Correct? Okay. Now take up what is the relation here? The relation R is equals to order pair x comma y such that 3x minus y is equals to 0. Is equals to 0 now. 3x minus y is equals to 0. Okay. Okay. See here, what is the relation now? Now the given relation is in which form? Set builder or roster? Set builder form. Write down in roster form, then check the relations here. Okay. What is the relation here? Relation is 3x minus y. Okay. For see here, for reflexive now. For reflexive now. For reflexive. 3x minus y ಅದ ಓಕೆ ಇದರ ಡಬ್ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಅವನು ಅವೇನು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಕ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ first we have to solve the what here given relation here okay now take it is a 3x minus y 3x minus y minus y equals to 0 now minus y transfer here minus y transfer it becomes what here plus y is equals to ಏನು ಬಂತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ that is a 3x plus y is equals to what here 3x now minus y transfer here plus y is equals to 3x what are the values of x x ಅನ್ನು ಏನು ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು 1 2 up to 14 ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ ಬರ್ಕೋತ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡಿ take it is a for relation write down the relation in first rows to form now okay ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ನಾಗ ಇದು ಸೆಟ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡ್ರಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಅಕ್ಯುರೇಟ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಆಗಲಾಗದ so take in a rows to form now okay see here that is a 3x minus y is equals to 0 y is equals to ಏನು ಬಂತು y is equals to what here 3x now take the relation in which form here roster form okay put the value of x is 1 3 1s are 3 1 3 ಇವಾಗ a cross ಇದೆ ಕದ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ next substitute 2 now 2 3 2s are 6 substitute 3 now 3 3s are 9 substitute 4 3 4s are 12 substitute 5 3 5s are 15 3 5s are 15 is it 3 5 15 is possible ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ರೀಸನ್ ಏನದ ಎಂಡ್ ಏನದ 14 only ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದು 5 15 ಬರತ್ತ so therefore this order pair is not possible now the relation is this one clear okay what are the order pairs here 1 6 1 3 2 6 3 9 4 12 are the order pairs now 196 ನನಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದು ಇವಾಗ ಬರೀ just 4 order pairs ಬಂದು okay ಈಗ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ರಿಲೇಶನ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು take it is a for reflexive now for reflexive is it now the given relation is reflexive ಇಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕಿಲ್ಲ ಡಬ್ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಡಬ್ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇರಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು 1 1 2 14 14 ತರ ಡಬ್ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅದು ಒಂದು ಡಬ್ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಕಾಣಲ್ಲ so therefore it is not a reflexive relation ಅಷ್ಟು ರೀಸನ್ಸ್ ಬರಿಬೇಡ್ರಿ ಒಂದೇ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ ಈಗ take it is a 1 does not belongs to R 1 does not belongs to R so therefore R is not a reflexive relation R is not a reflexive now right take up for symmetric here for symmetric now for symmetric we know that what is the symmetric meaning a comma b b comma a right now tell me 1 3 order pair 3 1 ಇಲ್ಲ 3 not possible they are not possible there right meaning it is symmetric relation or not symmetric it is not a symmetric relation reason ಬರೀಲಿವಾ 1 3 is belongs to R but 3 1 does not belongs to R so therefore R is not a symmetric relation R is not a symmetric relation now right same as it is for transitive now take up for transitive meaning ABTC AC now right think ಮಾಡ್ರಿಲ್ಲ ABTC AC ದನು ಓಕೆ AB ಇದು 3 ಲಿಂದ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ 3 ಲಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 1 3 3 9 ಏನು ಬೇಕು ಇವಾಗ 19 ಬೇಕು 19 ಅದ ಏನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ is not a transitive what reason ಬರೀ ಈಗ take it is 1 3 is belongs to R and 3 9 belongs to R but 1 9 does not belongs to R ಏನ್ ಡೆಫಿನಿಷನ್ satisfy ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ a b ಇದ b c ಇದ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ a c ಇಲ್ಲ so therefore now the relation is not a transitive relation right down here so therefore R is not a transitive relation now R is not a transitive relation now so therefore R is neither reflexive nor symmetric nor transitive now adenagala relation ಏನು satisfy ಆಗಲ್ಲ so therefore R is okay R is neither reflexive okay nor transitive nor symmetric and nor what here nor transitive nor transitive. Okay, ಈ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ 3 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಬಂದು ನೋಡಿ. That is the 2k15, 2k19, that is the 2k22 now. Okay, right on. Right, take up again second question. The relation R in the set n of natural number defined as R is equals to, the relation R is equals to x comma y such that y is equals to x plus 5 where the x is less than 4 now. Cut up. Now take it is a, what is the relation here? Now the relation is y is equals to x plus 5. X is nothing but what? Natural numbers. The x is nothing but what? Natural numbers. Natural number is less than 4 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನಾವು. ಮನಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ತಗೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಇವಾಗ less than 4 meaning we have to take x value is 1 2 3 only now. Okay, write down the relation in a roster form. Okay, now substitute 1 here, 1 plus 5 6. Okay, when x value is 1, y value is 6. When x value is 2, y value 7. When x value is 3, y value is 8 now. Okay, now this one is what? Relation in a roster form. Okay, then apply the definition here for reflexive now. Okay, for reflexive. Okay, for reflexive. Is it the given relation is reflexive relation? No, because there is no doublets. 1 2 3 doublets illa illa. Correct? Write down here in baranga 1 1 2 2 and 3 3 does not belongs to R. ಮೂರು ಬರಿಬೇಕಂತ ಹಂಗೇನು ರೂಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆರ್ಡರ್ ರೈಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ one order pair now. Correct? 1 1 doublet 2 2 doublet 3 3 doublet not present, so therefore it is not a R is not a reflexive relation. R is not a reflexive relation here. Okay, then go forward here symmetric now. Okay, take up for symmetric relation. Okay, we know that symmetric meaning AB DA reverse illu. Correct? Now take this 1 comma 6 is belongs to R. 1 comma 6 order pair are present in the given relation, but 6 comma 1 does not belongs to R here, so therefore R is not symmetric relation. R is not a symmetric relation now. Okay, then go forward here. The last relation is take up for transitive now. For transitive relation, for transitive, right? The transitive relation has two cases now, AB BC AC. Another one is what here? Only A comma B is belongs to R, it is said to be transitive only, right? They are not given. BC means not necessary to check or maybe not necessary to tell AC now. Chances illa. Correct? Take it is only A comma B now 1 comma 6 in the out starting now. 2 comma 7 not given BC here. 3 comma 8 again only AB given but not BC now. Correct? Take here that is 1 comma 6 is belongs to R, right? 1 comma 6 is belongs to R only, or maybe take it is only 1 comma 6 is belongs to R, not given BC kottilla, so therefore not necessary to check AC now. So therefore R is what here? R is a transitive relation. R is a transitive relation now. Okay, so therefore now the second question is what here? The second question is neither reflexive nor symmetric but transitive also. Okay, write down here R is neither reflexive, okay, neither reflexive nor symmetric, okay, nor symmetric but it is what here? But it is a transitive relation. Okay, right now ಈ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿನ ಕೇಳಿರಬಹುದು ಕೆಳಗೆ. Right, again the first beta third question, the relation R in the set A is equals to 1 2 3 4 5, 6 is the given set as the relation R is equals to order pair x comma y such that y is divisible by x. Okay, y is divisible by x now, right? Y is divisible by x meaning another form is what here? X divides y. Y is divisible by x meaning y ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ x let divide ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Then another form is what here? X divides y now, right? Write down the relation in the rows to form now. Okay, take up the rows to form here. R is equals to now. Okay, we know that the relation is on set A now. Set A meaning how many order pairs here? 6 into 6 36 order pairs now. In 36 order pairs we have to choose this relations order pairs here. Okay, take up 1 comma 1 idu x idu y. 1 by 1 divide. 1 by 1 divide. Take this up 1 2 divide now. 1 2 1 3 divides now. Okay, 1 4 divides now. 1 5 okay divides now. 1 6 divide. Next only the divide agtava. Take this up 2 1 not divide. 1 by 2 0.5. Take this up 2 2 divide. Take this 2 3 not divides. 2 4 divides now. 2 5 not divide. 2 6 divide now. 3 1 not divide. 3 2 not divide. 3 3 divide again. 3 comma 3 by 3 answer 1. 3 4 not divide. 3 5 not divide. 3 6 divides now. 3 comma 6 now. 6 by 3 answer is 2, right? Take 4 now. 4 1 not divides. 4 2 4 3 4 divides here. 4 comma 4 4 5 not possible. 4 6 is also not possible. 4 6 meaning that is 4 by 2 meaning 2 by 3 answer again point bರ್ತದೆ. So right, next one take up 5 1 not divides. 5 2 5 3 5 4 5 5 is divides now. Take this out 5 comma 5 5 by 5 that is 1 now. 6 5 6 not divides. 6 1 6 2 6 3 6 4 6 5 6 6 divides here. 6 comma 6 now. These are the what here order pairs for the given relations now, right? For reflexive, check here. For reflexive meaning doublets, right? What is the given set here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 now, right? If all the doublets are present in the given relation, then it is said to be a reflexive relation. Otherwise it is not a reflexive relation here. Okay, take one doublet here. 2 2 okay here only. 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6 all order pairs are. So therefore it is a reflexive relation now. Okay, another reason here, that is 1 comma 1 2 comma 2 up 2 comma 2 up to what here 6 comma 6 all are what present. 1 comma 1 2 comma 2 up to 6 comma 6 is belongs to R. So therefore R is what here? R is a reflexive relation. R is a reflexive relation now. Okay, then go for what here? Symmetric now. Okay, symmetric. Okay, for symmetric now. For symmetric now, right? Symmetric meaning take a reverse here. Okay, next see here 2 comma 2 and this 2 comma 4, right? Symmetric reverse one ನೋಡ್ರಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 2 2 1 ಇಲ್ಲ reason ಬರ್ದೇ ಬಿಡಬಹುದಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ, right? Take this 1 comma 2 belongs to R. 1 comma 2 belongs to R, but 2 comma 1 does not belongs to R. So therefore R is not symmetric here. R is not a symmetric relation, right? Take the last one is for transitive now. For transitive meaning ABBC AC now. Okay, alla ಹುಡುಕಾಡಬೇಕು ಇವಾಗ, right? ABBC AC here, right? See here. Okay, 1 1 1 2 1 2 this one only. Okay, transitive so difficult ಅನಿಸ್ತದ, careful ಆಗಿ 1 1 1 3 1 3 here only. Correct? 1 1 1 4 1 4 ಇದೆ ಅದ. Next 1 1 1 5 1 5 this one only. 1 1 1 6 1 6 ಇದೆ ಅದ. Correct? Next see here 2 2 2 4 2 4 ಇದೆ ಅದ. correct 2 4 4 ಇಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಅದ ಕಿಲ್ ಅದ 2 4 4 4 2 4 2 4 this one only correct next 3 6 6 6 3 6 3 6 this one only ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಟಿವ್ ನಿ ಹೆಂಗೂ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ವೇರಿಯೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಅದು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಟಿವ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಈಗ ರೈಟ್ ಸೊ ಟೇಕ್ ಒನ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ರೀಸನ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ರೀಸನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಾము ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ 1 2 is belongs to R and okay 1 2 1 1 1 and 1 2 now 1 1 1 is belongs to R 1 2 is also belongs to R and okay 1 is belongs to R 1 2 is belongs to R and 1 2 is also belongs to R now present so therefore R is what here R is a transitive relation R is what here transitive relation now right so therefore the given question is a reflexive transitive but not a symmetric right so therefore R is what here R is a reflexive and transitive but not what here but not it is a symmetric relation now okay right right take the question number 4 the relation R in the set Z of all integers defined as R is equals to right now the given relation is what here the relation R is equals to order pair x comma y such that x minus y is an integer now okay the relation is the relation R in the set Z anta Z meaning integers meaning ಏನಂತ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ನಂಬರ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ನಂಬರ್ zeros all are what here includes now right think ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ now the a cross a is what here infinite number of the order pairs ಎಣಿಸಲು ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಇವಾಗ right now the relation R is equals to x comma y such that y is x minus y is an integer x minus y ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದ ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ ಬರ್ತಂತ okay take here okay for reflexive now right okay now it is difficult to write on the what here the relation in a roster form ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಬರೀತಿ roster forms ನಾಗ infinite number of the order pairs ಬರ್ತಾವ right so therefore take up for reflexive ನಾವು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋಣ reflexive ಬರೀತೀವಿ ಈಗ 1 1 2 2 3 3 minus 1 1 minus 1 1 minus 1 these are what here doublets but what are the integers integers are ready now 0 1 2 3 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 and so on take doublets here doublets 1 1 minus madam x minus y 1 minus 1 0 0 meaning integer no integer 2 2 2 minus 2 0 integer 0 minus 0 0 integer minus 1 okay minus 1 minus half minus 1 minus into minus half plus now minus 1 plus 1 again 0 ಅಂದ್ರ ಡಬಲ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ನೀವು ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ಸ್ ಬರಲತ್ತದ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ now the given relation is a reflexive relation ಆಗ್ತದೆ so write down in a general form the ಬರ್ಬಿಡ see here x comma x correct apply here x comma x is belongs to R it implies write down here x minus x is an integer now integer बराबर 1 comma 1 minus 1 integer correct take this up y comma y here y comma y is belongs to R it implies y minus y is also what here is also integer clear so therefore R is what here R is a reflexive relation R is a reflexive relation now right take up for symmetric here okay for symmetric now for symmetric right see here x comma y belongs to R it implies apply the relation x minus y is an integer. ಹೆಂಗ ಈಗ 1 2 ತಗೋರಿ 1 2 1 integer ಕಟ 1 5 10 ತಗೋರಿ 5 10 5 ಏನು integer. ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು ನಂಗೆ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಇದು integer ಬರ್ತದೆ, ರೈಟ್? ಇನ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ x y is an also integer. Take reverse here, y comma x belongs to or it implies y minus x is an integer again. 1 minus 2 integer, 2 minus 1 integer ಬರ್ತದೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? So therefore r is a symmetric relation. Now r is a symmetric relation. Okay, take up transitive here, right? For transitive now, for transitive, okay, for transitive we know that x comma y is belongs to r. It implies x minus y is an what? Integer. पता होगा is an integer, right? Take up x comma y comma z belongs to r. It implies y minus z is also what here? Is also integer. पता होगा नोडिगा 1 comma 2 integer, 2 comma 3 integer, then 1 comma 3 1 minus 3 is also integer. That so therefore x comma y, that is x minus y is an integer, y minus z is an integer, then x comma z is belongs to r. It implies x minus z is also an what here? Integer. So therefore r is a transitive relation here. R is a transitive relation. So therefore the relation R is reflexive, symmetric, transitive. Hence it is said to be which relation? Equivalence relation. So therefore R is an what here? Equivalence relation here. R is what here? It is equivalence relation. Okay, right on. The number, right? Take up, that is fifth question. The relation R in the set A of human beings in a town at a particular time is given by, right? They are given total 5 questions A B C D E, right? Now only 2 questions solve ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಾಗ. That is the relation R is equals to x comma y such that x is a wife of y now, right? Okay, relation topic ಏನಾದ್ರು relation ಬೇಕಿರೋ. Okay, no? What is the given set here? The relation R in the set of human beings in a town. Set input ಅಲ್ಲ, town ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ನಾವು human beings ಅಲ್ಲ, right? Relations given is what here? Order by x comma y such that x is a wife of y ಅಂತ. Okay, for reflexive now, right? X is a wife of y. They are given x comma y is order pair now. Reflexive meaning have take doublet ಅಂತ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಅಂದಿವ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೆಯಮ್ಮ x comma x belongs to r and y comma y belongs to r. Okay, it implies apply the relation for this order pair. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ x comma y ಇತ್ತು, x is a wife of y ಅಂತ. Now it is x comma x here. x is a wife of x. ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಅಕ್ಕಿಂದ ವೈಫ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬ ವೈಫ್ ಇರ್ತಾಳೆ, ರೈಟ್? ಏನ್ ಬರೀತೀರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? x is not a wife of herself only, right? Same as it is y comma y is not a wife of herself only. ಅಕ್ಕಿನ ಆಗೋ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, y is not a wife of herself, herself, right? So therefore ಏನಾಯ್ತು? The relation is not satisfied here. X comma x does not belongs to r, y comma y does not belongs to r. So therefore r is not a reflexive. R is not a reflexive relation. Okay. Take up for symmetric now. For symmetric. Okay. For symmetric. Okay. For symmetric meaning ABBC. ABBA. Take this up x comma y. It belongs to r. Apply the relation. X is a wife of what? X is a wife of Y. Okay. Unbothered. Because different persons here. That X is a wife of Y. Take reverse now. Reverse. Y comma X is belongs to R. Is it Y is a wife of X? Wife agala enagano husband agano. That Y is not a wife of what here? X now. And ivaga X comma Y belongs to R is very satisfied now, but Y comma X is not satisfied. Correct? A comma B belongs to R, but B comma A does not belongs to R. So therefore R is not symmetric now. R is not a symmetric relation now. Right? Go for what here? For transitive here. For transitive meaning A, B, B, C, S, C now. Take this up. X comma Y belongs to R. Apply the relation. X is a wife of Y. Okay, correct. X is a wife of Y. Correct. Next, Y comma Z belongs to R now. Check part. Is it Y is a wife of Z? Y is a wife of Z. Y meaningly men are that ending Y is a wife of Z is not possible because Y is what here, not woman. It is men. That meaning Y comma Z is does not belongs to R. ಈ order pair ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ chances ಇಲ್ಲ. Meaning only A comma B is belongs to R. We know that in a transitive case only A comma B is also belongs to R, meaning it is also transitive now. That B comma C ಬರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬರಲ್ಲ ಅದು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? B comma C ಬರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ A comma C ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ನೆಸೆಸರಿನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? So therefore X comma Y belongs to R only. Okay, take it is only X comma Y belongs to R. So therefore R is what here? R is a transitive now. R is a transitive relation now, right? So therefore the given question is not neither symmetric nor transitive, neither reflexive nor symmetric, but it is a transitive now. Okay, right on. Right, take again the relation R in the set A of the human beings in a town at a particular time is given by the relation R is equals to X comma Y. Okay, see here the relation R is equals to X comma Y such that X is a father. Okay, X is a father of Y anta. Okay, then go for what here? For reflexive relation first now. For reflexive relation. Reflexive meaning we have to take doublets data. That is X comma X and Y comma Y now. It belongs to R. It is also what it belongs to R. Apply the relation now. Is it X is a father of himself? ಅವನೇ father ಅಂತಾನೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬನೇ father ಆಗಬೇಕು, right? X is not a father of X is not a father of himself, right? Same as it is Y is not a father of what here? Himself. So therefore the R is not a reflexive relation here. R is not a reflexive relation, right? Then go for what here? Symmetric now. Okay, for symmetric here, for symmetric, right? Symmetric meaning AB BA. Got it? Take it is X comma Y belongs to R. It implies, apply the relation. X is a father. X is a father of Y. Okay, correct, relation is correct here, right? Take this Y comma X is belongs to R. Is it Y is a father of X? Y is a father of X atana agake illa. Okay, Y is not a father of what here? X, because Y enigile Y ಏನವನ son ಅನ್ನೋದ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? X is father, Y is son. ಇಲ್ಲೇನ ಅರ್ಥ ಇವಾಗ Y is son ಆಗಬೇಕು actually. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? Right? So therefore Y is not a father of what here? X now, right? So therefore R is not symmetric here. R is not a symmetric. Right? Then go forward here for transitive case here. For transitive, that is x comma y belongs to R. It implies, apply the relation, x is a father of y. Correct? Below, x is a father of y now. Take up y comma z now belongs to R. Okay, y is a father of what here? Z, because different persons are correct. Y is a father of what here? Z. Okay, then a comma b is belongs to R, b comma c is belongs to R, then a comma c now. Take this x comma z belongs to R here. Okay, is it x is a father of what here? Z. X z is father ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಏನಾಗ್ತಾನೆ? ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಫಾದರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ. ಈಗ x is a father of y is a father of z, right? Then x z relations ಏನಾಗ್ತಾವ? x z relation ಏನು? ಇವ x ಏನಾಗ್ತಾನೆ ನಿಮಗೆ? ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಫಾದರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ, ಫಾದರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾನೇನು? ಆಗಲ್ಲ. So therefore x is a what here? X is not a father here. X is a grandfather. So therefore R is what here? R is not a transitive. R is not a transitive. So therefore the relation is not reflexive, not symmetric, and that is not a transitive here. Okay, right now. Right, take up, that is question number 2. Show that the relation R in the set R of a real numbers differ as that is R is equals to order pair a comma b such that a is less than or is equals to what here? B square. A is less than or is equals to b square is neither reflexive nor symmetric nor transitive relation. Okay, ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನವ? The relation is not a reflexive relation, not a symmetric relation, not a transitive relation. ಒಂದು ಆಗಲ್ಲ. Right? Take up for reflexive case here. For reflexive now. For reflexive. Right? Suppose take it is 1,1. Relation is satisfies now. 2,2 satisfies. 3,3 satisfies now. But they are told neither reflexive. Illadu reflexive. Then search another order pairs here. Take the fractions now. That is 1/2 comma 1/2 belongs to R. 1/2 but is also what here? Real number. Got up? 1/2 comma 1/2 belongs to R. Apply the relation now. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ apply ಮಾಡಿ. ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಇದು? 1/2 as it is less than or is equals to 1/2 whole square. It implies 1/2 as it is less than or is equals to 1 square 1 2 square 4 now. No doubt 0.1/2 meaning 0.5 less than or is equals to 0.25. 1/4 meaning 0.25. Is it 0.15? 0.5 less than or is equals to 0.25? It is not a less now. Meaning now it is a relation is wrong. So therefore R is not a reflexive. R is not a reflexive for this order pair. Right? Then go forward here. Again they are told not symmetric now. Okay. Neither nor symmetric. Take for symmetric case here. For symmetric case. Symmetric meaning AB. Got up? Take any order pairs now. 1,2 belongs to R. It implies 1 less than or is equals to 2 square. Okay. It implies 1 less than or is equals to 2 square 4. Is it 1 is less than or is equals to 4? Okay, less. Now it is a satisfies. Take reverse now. 1,2 is over. Take this 2,1 belongs to R. It implies 2 less than or is equals to 1 square, it implies 2 less than or is equals to 1 square. 1. You think man. Is it 2 is less than or equals to 1? Relation is satisfies or condition is wrong now. Correct? So therefore 1 comma 2 is belongs to R, but 2 comma 1 does not belongs to R. So therefore R is not a symmetric relation. R is not a symmetric relation. Understand Artha? Okay. Same as it is for transitive now. For transitive. Okay. That told again it is not a transitive. Transitive anta. Right? One simple like order paper bedtine. That is a 5 comma 3 now. 5 3 belongs to R. It implies apply the relation here. 5 less than or is equals to 3 square. It implies okay. 5 less than or is equals to 3 square. 9. Okay. Now it is correct. 5 is less than or is equals to 9. It is correct here. Okay. Take up 3 comma 2. It belongs to R now. It implies okay 3 as it is less than or is equals to this one. This is what here b square meaning b square meaning 2 square. Take it is 2 square. It implies 3 as it is less than or is equals to 2 square meaning 4. No doubt 3 is less than 4. Cut up. Now it is AB is also verified. BC is also verified. Then take what is AC here. AB, BC, AC now. That is 5 comma 2 now. Right? Belongs to R. It implies take this 5 as it is less than or is equals to right 2 square. Right? 2 square now. 5 less than or is equals to 2 square. 4 now. See here. Is it 5 is less than or is equals to 4? Less like it is not satisfied. Data. This one is what here? Relation is wrong now. Data. So therefore 5 comma 2 is does not belongs to R. Right? Hang like you 5 comma 3 is belongs to R. 3 comma 2 is belongs to R. But 5 comma 2 does not belongs to R. Right? So therefore R is not R is what here? Not transitive now. R is not a transitive. Okay. Right now. Right, take up. That is the third question. Check whether the relation R defined in R. The set A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 as R is equals to A comma B such that B is equals to A plus 1 is a reflexive symmetry kind of. That is a transitive now. Okay. This question is asked in 2017 now. That is 2K 17. Okay. 17. Okay. Now take up the given set A is equals to what here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 now. Okay. The given set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The relation is on set A. Meaning A cross A is how many order pairs? 36 order pairs again. Correct? The relation is A comma B such that B is equals to A plus 1. Correct? Write down the relation in a roster form first. Okay. What are the values of A here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 now. Put x equals to 1, A is equals to 1. Answer 1 plus 1, 2. 2 put ಮಾಡಿ 2 plus 1 3. Now 3 plus 1 4. 4 plus 1 5. 5 plus 1 6. 5 plus 1 what here? 6 now. Right? No doubt these are the what here? Order pairs. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is belongs to first set only. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is also belongs to second set only. All the elements are belongs to set A only. Correct? 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6. Right? Now check it is for reflexive now. For reflexive. In this side, right? For reflexive now. Right? For reflexive meaning double-edged circle. Correct? What is the set here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is the set now. Okay. Double-edged someone know? One double-edged sila. Correct? Reason barbed. So therefore 1 comma 1 okay does not belongs to R. Correct? So therefore R is not a reflexive relation. R is not a reflexive relation now. Right? Then go for what here? For symmetric now. For symmetric relation. For symmetric relation. Symmetric relation meaning AB, B. Okay. Take up 1 comma 2 is belongs to R there. That 1 comma 2 is belongs to R. But Yenila 2 comma 1 does not belongs to R. So therefore R is not a symmetric relation. R is not a symmetric relation now. Right? Same as it is. Take the last case, that is for transitive here. For transitive now. For transitive meaning A, B, B, C, AC now. Take it is 1 comma 2 is belongs to R here. 1 comma 2 is belongs to R. Okay. And 2 comma 3 is also belongs to R. That it is AB. It is a BC now. AC meaning 1 comma 3. 1 comma 3 illa. That so 1 comma 2 is belongs to R and 2 comma 3 is belongs to R. But 1 comma 3 does not belongs to R. So therefore R is not transitive here. R is not transitive. So therefore the given relation is neither reflexive nor transitive nor symmetric now. Okay. Right now. Up to question number 3 is over. Thank you.